Set 2, 2 of 5 Designing the Database Schema. From my diary. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, consultant, mentor, and YouTuber. Designing the database schema and selecting the appropriate database engine before working on the user interface, UI, is a common approach and is generally considered good practice. This sequential order of development can have several benefits. Data-driven design. By starting with the design of the database schema based on the data flow diagrams, DFDs, or business requirements, you can ensure that the data model accurately represents the information and relationships in your system. This data-driven approach forms a solid foundation for the rest of the application. Data integrity and consistency. Designing the database schema first allows you to establish proper data integrity constraints, relationships, and normalization. By defining the structure and rules of the database, you can ensure the consistency and integrity of the data throughout the application. Database engine selection. Choosing the appropriate database engine early on helps in considering factors like performance requirements, scalability, security, and specific features needed for your application. Different database engines have unique capabilities and performance characteristics, and selecting the right one upfront can optimize your application's performance and scalability. Separation of concerns. Separating the development of the database schema and backend logic from the UI promotes the principle of separation of concerns. This division allows different teams or developers to work concurrently on their respective areas of expertise. It also helps in future modifications or enhancements, as changes to the UI can be made without impacting the underlying data structure or business logic. Testing and validation. With the database schema and engine in place, you can start testing and validating the data model, data manipulation operations, and business logic before investing effort in building the UI. This can help catch any design or logic flaws early in the development cycle, minimizing rework and ensuring a more stable and reliable application. However, it's important to note that the development process can be iterative, and feedback from UI design and user testing may influence the database schema and backend logic. Flexibility and adaptability are key, and adjustments may be necessary as the application evolves. In summary, starting with the database schema and engine design before working on the UI allows for a data-driven approach, promotes data integrity, provides a clear separation of concerns, and enables early testing and validation. It sets a strong foundation for building a robust and scalable application. Thank you.